Okay, so one of our future projects is for the Civic. Back here is to put K-series engine in that 2.4 litre to be exact, which is this one right here. So we have one out of an 0500 Accord. We also have another 0500 Accord up in the paddock that we're going to pull the engine out. And today we're going to pull this thing apart. So Greg's already getting stuck into it. So this is an 06, I think, Honda CRV, all-wheel drive, manual gearbox. So we've got two manual gearboxes, three engines. I'm going to pull everything we need out of this for the engine and the gearbox, as well as all the all-wheel drive system. Eventually we're going to get all-wheel drive, turbocharged, 2.4 litre into this thing behind me. So today's project is to rip this thing apart. For that we've got to move the 180 and then we'll get into this. Okay, so we're going to pull the drop the K-frame out of the front of the car, pull a few things off as we go. To get it down, strip it out, put it back together, and then hopefully roll it out.
Oh, I could be all it is you need, 'cause we are trying to find a way to feel. If I could sleep, I'd dream of what we'd be, but I can feel you slip further from me. Oh, it makes it hard to be when you are all that I want, but don't have. And I'll run into the sea, follow this heart that escapes me. It escapes me. And I'm lost, forget me, all I want, and become everything, all I although it feels like heaven, I can't wait forever. Old habits are hard to break. I'm losing faith. Maybe we're better off this way, but I'm still
Maybe not.
Okay, so we pulled this engine out. We finally got the thing apart. I'm using this on my phone because the camera's gone flat. But there it is, gearbox, everything. Pulled off a few other bits and pieces as well. We got the diff out of the back. We got all the axles. We got the tail shaft. Pulled out the catalytic converter because that's the bit everybody wants these days. And we'll pull a few more other bits and pieces out. But we've got it done. We've got it apart. Get rid of the car. So we've got everything we need. We'll grab a few more just in case for later on. But yeah, good to go. Big day. Thanks, Greg.
No worries.